I'm Susan. Sorry it's been a week. I have not felt good this past week. Still not feeling great today, but feeling better. So today I am making a Crockpot taco soup. And it's a recipe that my sister-in-law posted on Facebook, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, a half a cup of onion chopped, 1 package of taco seasoning. I'm using my homemade, 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel tomatoes, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, a half a cup of chopped fresh cilantro, and 4 cups of beef broth. On top of your stove, brown your ground beef with your onions and your garlic, and I also always add salt and pepper as well. Once your meat's browned, you want to drain it and add it into your crock pot along with the rest of your ingredients. Once you get all your ingredients added and stirred around, you want to put on your lid and cook on low for 4 hours or for 2 hours on high. I did the 2 hours on high. And here it is after the 2 hours, and I just stirred it around, kind of mashing up that cream cheese and getting it mixed in to the soup as best as I could. And this was such a good soup. In fact, my son Caleb said he thought it was his new favorite. We'll definitely be making this again, and it was so easy. But it was such a good flavor, and I hope you'll give it a try. This soup was very soup-like. It wasn't like creamy with the cream cheese, but it had a creamy flavor to it. But it was still very liquid, and it was really good with the tortilla chips that I used, and I added a little sour cream and cheese to mine. And I really hope you'll give it a try. I highly recommend it. It was very delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Until next time, bye y'all.